What is up, guys? It is BBReact. We are back with another video. You're not gonna introduce yourself.
You know. Okay. We are opening some Pokemon cards, continuing opening them, and
Gotta give it the YouTube hands. Gotta give it the YouTube hands.
we got some good one.
Yeah, we're also gonna be opening one Yu-Gi-Oh pack just because we were going to our local Targets and we found one. But today we're gonna do a lot of.
Surprisingly, we was able to find some Pokemons because usually we don't even.
Yeah, they're usually sold out. They're usually sold out no matter where we're going. I don't know how everybody got that precious luck
They take
in
everything.
finding one. So, any further ado, we're gonna just go ahead and start opening packs. We're not gonna just sit here and let y'all listen to us, SMR type of thing. We gonna put some music in the back, or what the case may be. Put some music in the background.
Animal style.
No, y'all heard that. He said open it like animal style. Do we show them the code if they want the code?
Yeah, that's a free code if they really want it. They go ahead and take it.
I don't know if it's the right way, but if y'all see the video, if y'all want this code, by all means, take it as you please. Alright. I'm really not trying to bend this Charizard. Well, oh shit! It was not shining when we took it out to it.
Ah. Nice.
It's not bent though. It's not bent. YouTube hands. There you go.
Take the first look.
This is Charmander. It's not bad this year.
Let's take a look.
Let me see if I can do it here. Or you want to do it after?
No, let's do it now.
You want to do it now? Okay. We want to tell y'all actually how much this card is instead of like waiting at the end. So let me actually turn this back down. This is like loud in my ears. But y'all can hear it. It was 85 cents.
You see?
85 cents. Even if it's in mint condition, is 85 cents. Let me just make sure it's the right. I don't know why he did it like that. Yeah, it's 85 cents.
I feel like when it comes to these cards, the one that's already shown, maybe that be more.
It's gonna be more?
No, they're not gonna be more. $1.
Alright, put that over there. Well, you can put it in a foil still because it's pretty good.
Yeah. Put it around here.
He said he'll put it right there. He's thinking about it. He's like, I don't think it's a third foil. You know what I'm saying? I don't think so. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that right there is nice.
Hold on, let me actually put it the right way. You know what I'm saying?
So I've got my essay.
Hello. Bringing me advertisements. Look at this. That's pretty cool. If y'all need this, y'all let us know in the comments. But we might as well, if you at the end you enjoy the video, hit that like button, comment if you like, because we love feedback, and subscribe if you like. You know what I'm saying? No peer pressure. But that does help us grow and get noticed.
Subscribe.
He's so demanding.
Like.
If you like. If you like. Like for like. If you like.
Or else.
I'm really trying to open this pack. Oh, I should have just showed y'all the pack first.
Good sis. What was that?
This is Sword and Shield, the battle style version. I had this one. I had the starter Pokemon. He was good until I was getting whooped with some of the gym battles. I'm trying to open it so delicately. You know what I'm saying? That's why I didn't let you do it, because you got rough hands. I'll take the code out. You can go ahead and let me show them the code.
Right. Go. Go. Look at it.
Brace it.
Mesmerize.
Memorize it. Scan it with your eyes.
Scan. Mm-hmm. Take a quick scan before somebody else take it.
All right.
Go.
All right. First one.
Energy. You know where it's going.
To the shadow rounds.
You know, yeah.
What is that? Is that a ho-ho? What is that? Oh.
A ho-ho.
Oh, that's a pure ho. I was like, is that a ho? I couldn't see it because the light is so bright, y'all. I do apologize for that.
It's going.
Shadow rounds.
Yep.
There you go.
What's that?
A grumpig. Grumpig. I can't read it because it's the opposite side.
Wow. So me, I looked like a stuff teddy.
I know, right?
What's that?
Luxio?
Oh, we haven't checked.
I'll check them. I'll check them after.
Okay.
We'll check the prices right after, y'all.
I'll put this one, yeah. Look nice. Look decent.
Mercuro. Look, I'm saying these all wrong. I bet you. I'm saying these all wrong. But I ain't gonna say this one because I don't know how to say it.
Let me see.
Horsey.
Oh.
Licky tongue.
Hey. Or licky lick.
Electric buzz.
No. Send this away. This way.
Product. Wait.
Look nice.
It does. That's the only shiny one that was there. Okay. Oh, this one too. This one's shiny.
It is? Huh?
Yeah.
Let me see.
The Cherum. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong. But yeah. We're going to go ahead and tell y'all exactly which one prices, what's the price range for each of them. Let's see. You got it? Let me scan it, put it right there. This one is a mint condition. Let me see. Battle style. Battle style. It is 74 cents.
74 cents.
Yep, 74 cents.
Right.
We're gonna go ahead and save that one. Let's bring out the next one.
Next one, which one was it?
It doesn't matter, but give me all the cards.
This one.
So we're only gonna do these, the shiny ones so far. So this is the next one that we're scanning. It's so ugly, it doesn't want to scan. 4 cents.
4 cents?
It's 4 cents, y'all. He said, dang. Yeah, 4 cents. It was 4 cents. And this pack itself was $4, I think. $4. $4.19 to be exact.
4 cents. It deserves to be, you know what?
In the shadow rounds.
And it will stay there.
And it's gonna stay there. Let me see. I don't think these gonna be high amount. This is 5 cents.
Yeah.
5 cents. That's probably 5 cents as well. Nope. Even higher. 6 cents. Give me the other one.
There we go.
Electric buzz. We're gonna see how much that is. Probably see a couple change. 4 cents. Yeah, why you throwing money like that? Like, it might be somebody that needs it. He trying to wrinkle that shit. 7 cents. All right, last one.
Don't worry. I'll leave them in the shadow them until somebody need it.
And that one is 5 cents.
All right.
So in total, let me see what we have in total. So in total with the cards, well, minus the one that we added, the one that was for the other deck.
Yeah.
We made, let me see if I can remove actually. Delete it. So together we made only $2 out of this pack right here.
$2.
$2.11 to be exact. So we ain't making profit. We ain't making profit out of that one, but it's whatever. Let me see the other ones. You want me to open the Yu-Gi-Oh card, or you want me to continue the Pokemon cards and then we open the Yu-Gi-Oh card?
We already got this one down.
No, I took it out.
Take it
I
out.
deleted it so I can yeah, I deleted it. You want me to put it back in?
You with that.
Okay. You ready?
Let's do this.
Alright, cool. Cool beans. Alright. These are all our shinies, right?
Uh-huh.
So let me open a category for just shinies.
Card number 1.
So these are all our shinies that we've already put in foil. In the little things, man. Alright, let's get it out. Let's get it out.
Yeah, the Western make it.
Yeah, the rest they make it. It did, but they not here. So first one. Don't hit on my boy. This is my boy right here. This is my boy right here. You go ahead and add him. Let's see. I'll be he a lot of money because $2. $2. That's not bad. That's not bad. Let me make sure. Yeah. But if he was the other version, this would have been 13. If he was shiny all the way through, he would have been $13.
Rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow type. But because he's not, he went down to $2. So that's a mid condition. What's it? Why Licky's over here, man? Get that out of here.
Dang, Licky.
This one. Stop it. 73 cents. This is 73 cents.
3.
Yep.
Alright.
Pump Kaboo.
Right here.
Let's see. Pump Kaboo is only 8 cents.
8 cents?
8 cents.
Do you even deserve the foil?
Yes.
Does it?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes. Don't take it out. Magic card. $0.20. He's like, none of y'all deserve to be in these foils. He's like, none of y'all deserve to be here. Sandaconda. Sandaconda. All right. Let me see. 14 cents. And yes, they deserve to be here, Mark.
I don't think so.
I think so. Was this even? I think they gave this, right? But it's 14 cents.
Alright. Down here.
It's 2. It is 8 cents. I don't know. Don't be disappointed. Don't be disappointed.
Disappointed.
Phyllis Wine.
And I see from this card, disappointment.
Nonsense.
Come here.
Reggie Ice. 46 cents. 46 cents. Camera Rat? We actually got that as like a promotion card, dude. It's not even, look.
Yeah, that's true.
That shit not even scanning, look. He's like, I don't know what that is. I think we're going to have to type that one in, y'all.
No.
It's not going to take me that long. You could be like, he's not even in the database. There he is. I went through all that trouble for him to be $9. No, I lied. He's only $1. $1.
See? Not even stretch.
Whoa, stop. Yo, I told you about that. You can't be doing that.
Nicely gentle.
They be want it. Look how you bent it. It's bent, y'all. It's bent. It's bent. It's bent.
It's bent?
Yeah, it's bent. Big old hands. He bent it. What did I really even realize? So throughout all those cards that we had, we got now a total of $5. All them damn cards. We didn't even reach $10 yet.
That's a lot of cards.
For a little amount of money.
That's
12 cents.
That's a lot of foils. That was waste.
Sea of nothingness. This is what all the cards are. So far scanned is a sea of nothingness. And this stuff is nonsense. Nonsense.
Wait. Why did we even put this in the foil?
Because it was shiny. It was shiny, so we was like, okay. We'll let you have that chance.
Dang.
All right.
This one. Thwacky.
Yeah.
How much was a Thwacky?
It was like 9 cents. It was like 9 cents, y'all. This is 20 cents. Prime Ape is 20 cents.
That was okay. I can't remember that was one. That was nice. That was better.
That was better. This one's not even scanning. DH. Okay, got it. No, that's not it. There you go. That's better. This was $1.
But
I feel like I'm not supposed to scan all this. Like for real, y'all. Like
make it easier for you.
Just give me the ones that look like this.
I got you.
He's gonna give me all the cards that he think that is good. Those are my boy looking good.
These. Okay.
All these?
These should at least be like $1 plus.
$1 plus. This is Bulbasaur's.
If it's
upgraded Evolved Revolution. Huh?
Was it?
Huh? That's Blastoid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You scan?
$7. $7.
Okay. See?
This
deserved.
This is the one that we was hyping. We hyped this stuff in the car so bad, and then we went and scanned it, and he was like he was like $1.
Let down. How much?
He's $1, and he still is $1.
Okay.
I can't get this to scan. I can't get that to scan. So no, what are you doing? Oh, got 2 of these. So this is $2. This is $2.
All right, this is 2. T Max. Okay,
these 2 are $1.
Alright. We have duplicates.
Yeah, there's duplicates, and each of them is $1.
You guys need one? We'll give one to you.
He wants to get rid of all of them. This is 12 cents.
12 cents? Damn.
Yeah.
Come back down here. I hyped you up too much.
And this is 4 cents.
Dang. Come by here.
So in total, with all that you guys saw, we made a total of $21. Not bad. It wasn't good, but it's not bad. So those were all the shinies that was in that pack.
Yeah.
In that pack. Do we have any more shinies? that we had saved up.
The box is being opened.
No, there's those energies. We have a lot of energy cards, so if you guys
Look,
may want energy cards, let me see. So rough, like look how you pressed it. He's like he counted buddy.
money.
Yo, he's so rough with it. Like
Money.
damn.
Money.
This is Yu-Gi-Oh cards.
Oh, this Yu-Gi-Oh cards?
Yeah.
Now leave those out here.
Let me see. You want to do Yu-Gi-Oh cards? Oh, these are all the energies, y'all.
Yu-Gi-Oh doesn't disappoint.
All right.
It will
He
not.
wants to do Yu-Gi-Oh, so we just gonna put Pokemon slash Yu-Gi-Oh.
Wait.
All right, he's checking the other box because we did have we had one box that was Shiny Fate. This one is Crimson Invasion, and I forgot what the other box was.
This one that wouldn't even put some in there.
Let me see.
Yeah, go ahead.
What's this? What's this? The energies? Do all these cards, y'all. And these are not the good ones. Like,
The trash ones.
yeah, these are the trash ones. Not really trash. I know there's other people that's out there that may say they're not trash, but to me, I just
Trash.
if they ain't shiny, they ain't for me. But there's some cards that are not shiny and they're a lot of money. So no, it's not in here, dude.
You sure we left?
I think I left one box. Did you check the other box, that purple one?
Yeah.
It's not in there? Damn, we had a lot of shinies. And they not here? I must have left the other box.
I'm sure we left some in the car.
That's fine. No, those are the ones we already looked at. Here. These we'll have to show you guys these another time because they're just the blind cards, basic. There are no shinies. Nobody wants to see those. If you guys want to, I'll show you this because this is the last shiny that we got. So Starmie. Let me actually put this in. It's 19 cents. Here you go. Alright, so we've done that. Now we are going to Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh! Give me the Yu-Gi-Oh! Hello, Yu-Gi-Oh!
It don't disappoint.
Hopefully not. We got a Yu-Gi-Oh! Pack. YouTube hand, readjust. Yu-Gi-Oh! Legendary Duelist. It comes with 2 packs. This was at a local Target. If you guys have a local Target, you guys can get it from there. If they don't sell out. You know,
last time, all of the Yu-Gi-Oh cards was gone.
They even ate the shelf that it was on. So we go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and open this one.
Okay.
For the world to see.
Nice,
gently.
You see? I tried. No, I gotta do it.
Which one is this one? Legendary Duelist. You see how hard he did that? Nobody gonna want to get these cards.
I had to open it animals. Oh, there we go.
He said animal style again.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Might as well cut that.
What, you want me to do what? I ain't put no music. That junk was loud in my ears. And this is for Pokemon. What the? What was that? That junk was loud in my ear. That's why I put it. Because I'm like next to the thing, dude.
Alright, let's do this.
That's fine, y'all.
Let me pre-open this.
Because It's a small amount of cards. It came with like 6 cards, y'all. Oh, I lied. Not even 6. It comes with 5 cards. So let's see if this is good. Let's check them out. Let's check them out. Let's check them out. What's the first one?
Damn.
This is the first one. Stardust Assault Warrior. Here's another one. This is well tag. Oh look. Look, it's doing this little thing. Okay. Okay, and we got what is that? Synctron. Oh my god, I can't. I'm trying to look at the thing. The light is so bright. Red Eye Dice.
Butchered the name.
I'm butchering that. I'm butchering it for real. Speed Droid Cartobo.
Cartobo.
Some of them they're whacked out. These these cards are whack. Okay, these cards are whack. Okay, you ready to open these?
Get these in the mix.
Alright, let's mix them real quick. Alright. First one is Speed Droid, a Marble Machine. Okay. Tornado Dragon. You know what they say about all the dragons in Yu-Gi-Oh! If it's not blue eyed, dragon. They shit. Hey, look at that. He look like he in a towel. Look. Oh, no, bro.
Trash.
Hey, it could be like 5. It could be like $5.
Yeah, could be. What's that?
Phantom Feathers. I had to look at it one more time. Phantom Feathers. Cool Pen Goldos. I know I ain't say these right, but this is unknown. I'm not even gonna say the rest. Unknown. It looks like the other ones to me. And another. Why they keep giving this just machine? This little machine thing, but I'm pretty sure that was the first one I had read. Yeah. Alright, that was it. So now it's time to do what it might cost. Alright, let's see. The dragon. The dragon is $0. They're not selling that on. It is not selling. They don't care about you, and they don't care about. I lied. Let me see. Yeah, it's selling for. Yeah, let me see. First edition. No, it's selling for 2 cents.
Let's see that dragon real quick.
Don't be throwing into the. Look, y'all. Look. Let me show y'all what he did. Let me show y'all what he did. He picked the card up like this. Dad, come here. So if you wanted that card, it's too late because it's not gonna come in mid condition to y'all. He picked it up like this. Like he was about to eat a hot pocket, like yo. By the way, let me see that real quick. Ben, yo, alright. I can't open packs with him. I'm over here gently picking these up. He like, I got you, Ben. Like, yo, I was so shocked. You never liked this. Yo, I know it's 0. This whole pack is 0 cents. I just want to let y'all know that. This is 0 cent as well. This is 0 cent. Yeah.
For real?
Yeah, like for real, like there's 0 cents. Like this one too. I don't think. Yeah. Okay. I think I need to bring these back to Target because I can't spend a whole pack and this whole pack is 0 cents. Like that means it's not gonna sell today, tomorrow, or next week, or ever. This whole pack is 0 cents. Like I'm not even getting 1 cent out of it. Not even 1 cent out of it. Like this is ridiculous, y'all. Like, come on.
Wait, whoa.
Look, even if it's 0 cents, you never know when the price gonna bounce. You never know.
I picked it up gently.
No, you did not. All right, whatever.
Okay.
This is 0 cents.
Look.
Okay, that's not what you did last time. You did like this. You did like this. Like that's what you did, and you folded it like you was about to eat a taco shell. That's what you did.
Which was that?
0 cents.
Bruh, whoa. What about that?
$5.
5?
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding,
$5, y'all. $5.
We
This one is
have
$5.
a winner.
That means we actually just got our money out of this one card. This one card gave us the money back.
We have a winner. All right, stay here. What about that 0?
Yeah.
What that?
0.
0?
No, these are not 0.
Let's give it.
Damn. Okay, put this one in a little baggie. This not that one. This one.
Okay.
Put this one in a little baggie. So we did put these in a bag because we did check out the price. We don't know if the price had changed.
Let's see.
I'll show the other one as well. I don't know if the price had changed last time we checked it. Let me check. But in total for that one, we've made $5.10. Not bad because it was a $4. What was it? $4.19. For that, I think it was like $3. No, it was $3.
No, it was close to 5.
No, it was not.
It was 4.9.
It was like $4.69, something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was plus taxes $5. So we made our money back. We made our money back. So let me see. Let's see. For those 2 cards that we shown, because I had already scanned it, I'm just checking to make sure if that's the one that we had. Actually, let me just go ahead and just check for it. It'll be much easier. Okay, so this one is the basic card. This one is the basic card. This one is just super rare. It's selling in the market for only 55 cents. This one for 55 cents. This one. If we had the other type of this card, right? Let me show y'all YouTube pan. If we had the other version of, I gotta take this out. Hold on. I gotta take this out. If we had the other version of this card, no, I lied, y'all. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I think this is it.
Let me see.
This y'all let us know. Is this the one that's for $106? Because if that's the case, let me put. Why am I touching it so much?
Back in there.
What do you think I'm trying to do, huh? You think I'm trying to eat it? That's it. Look at it. Pick up my phone. I think that's it, dude.
Let me see that.
I don't trust you. See with your eyes.
Certainly, I won't.
Before they talking about, oh, somebody manhandle it. We can't accept it. 75 cents. Take it or leave it.
Yeah.
You think so, right? Okay, so I believe this right here. You let guys let us know for like that ass. Is this $100 or is this 75 cents? Because it has 2 versions. What y'all think? It got the blue lighting on top, just like the one that's for $100. It has it right here. If it was like the regular one, I don't think this would be that color. But let me give that to YouTube hand. Hold on. Y'all let us know. We don't know. I'll ask TikTok if, because you know TikTok they be quick after they do the little dance. They be quick. They be like, let me check that Yu-Gi-Oh card real quick. You be like, oh, Yu-Gi-Oh card?
Little dancey dance.
Yeah. So that's it on that one. And that's what we have today, because we don't have. Well, we checked those, and those are like bland, what the case may be.
Trash.
Well, they weren't trash. They just wasn't suitable for payment. But if you guys want to see more openings, by all means, hit that like, subscribe, notification button. Hit that too as well, so you can get notified when we open packs, because we will be opening packs and also reacting to other things. So just in case you want to hop on that and, you know, go for that, or what the case may be. If you guys just want to see us just opening packs or whatever the case may be, you can also check out our TikTok. Our TikTok is literally BBReact. I repeat, BBReact. Same name as our YouTube channel. You can do that if you like. Let me turn the music. Let me go ahead. Give me so long. Damn, boy.
There we go. Design.
Right. So if you guys like, please let us know. If you guys like us to continue, we're actually gonna show these on TikTok. We're gonna show these on TikTok. If you guys had missed it, whatever the case may be, and we will catch you on the next video. BB reacts.
Reaction.
React. You guys don't know what react means already. BB react is out. Later.